All right, got a mail call today. One of the viewers of my channel, Wally, has sent me some of these Lambda Razors made in Greece to try out in a shave video coming up on the YouTube channel. And I mean, the quality is excellent on these. Just the feel is amazing. This is the Athena, and it's a closed comb. Look at that. I had never heard of Lambda Razors before. Made in Greece. Come in these really awesome wooden boxes. And this is the Ares. You can hear the dog in the background. Open comb. Excellent. Excellent razors. I cannot wait to try them in an upcoming video. Looking forward to trying these out for sure. All right, thanks for tuning in.